1, 2, 3, and doing the butt. I won't and wanna get on. Doing the butt. And they want and they want all night long. Ooh yeah, yeah. Ooh yeah. Hit him with the shoulders. Yeah, whatever. I'm tired, y'all. So my name is Nemo, CEO of Foolies Limited Clothing, and and I'm here to give messages to make you go do stuff. No, for real, like I really want y'all to go do stuff, like with your dreams and goals. And the only way I could do that is if I tell you. So, time to get serious. Nemo, ATGA, money, memes, traumatic, Nick Fury. I don't know why I keep laughing. Alright, Nemo, get serious. My message is real simple. So, CEO of Foolies Limited Clothing, I just want to help you unlock your dreams. That's the goal. My message is simple. I really want y'all to go live out y'all dreams, but y'all keep getting distracted. I can't stop laughing. So I want y'all to live out y'all dreams, but y'all keep getting distracted, like I am right now. I want y'all to stop with the scrolling through the Facebook for hours. Stop with the Instagram stuff for hours. Like, you know, you can't binge watch entire seasons of your favorite shows if you still have a mission and a goal to carry out. You still have things you want to do. You want to impact the world. You want to change lives. Well, you got to get up. Sorry. Like, you have to train your brain to do exactly what you needed to do. Your mission needs to be bright, vibrant. Your emotions need to be put aside, because what's happening is your emotions are driving you. And so your emotions are saying, hey, well, you can't put out that video because, like, you're not popular and you're not funny and you're not being ratchet and you have a good message so nobody cares. Like, this is what your emotions will tell you. But your mission, my mission, to inspire people to live out their dreams foolishly. That's the only purpose I have. That's the only thing I'm focused on. How can I inspire people to live out their dreams foolishly? How can I push someone to be better? How can I help another person? How can I get someone to follow what it is on their heart? How can I remind someone of their purpose? These are things I'm asking myself. What are you asking yourself? And then when you ask yourself these things, you're not letting yourself be overwhelmed with what you're asking. Oh, I don't know. I'm going to help these 10,000 people. No. You know. You start with 1. Then 10, then 25, and let it increase. What are you worried about? You're worried about not getting the millions of subscribers or views today. You're worried about not getting the likes and fulfilling your, I don't know, your social media mindset that you develop that says, I need 100 this to do this. Like my photo 50 times and I'll drop my mixtape. Like, no, go write your story, publish your script, your blog, go put out the content, draw, sketch, sing, act, go back to law school, get your med degree, go be a teacher. Like, forget what your mommy and daddy are telling you. They're not helping you stay happy. They may be giving you money, but they're not helping you sustain. They're not helping you when you're depressed and you're down and you're defeated. So go after what it is and stop letting the distractions hit you. Get all this whack stuff out your way. I was supposed to be filming this video, and I'm on Facebook, and I'm on Instagram, and I'm checking emails, and ain't no emails coming in. And I'm looking at stuff and just letting myself wander and drift and going down a rabbit hole. Because deep down my emotions were saying, Alex, well, it's another video. Will anybody care? You've put out hundreds of these videos. Is anybody listening? And people will tell me, but I want hundreds, I want thousands of people telling me this. And that's a very selfish and thing that I've done for me, and I need to cut that out. Because that's not what this is about. I don't need hundreds and thousands. I need one. And I need to focus on that. I need to stop being distracted. I need to stop letting time escape me. Because that's why you're not being great. Or that's why you're not great yet. Because you keep letting time get away. Time is money. With all the time that you've wasted, you could have been a millionaire already. You could have gotten out of your financial situation already. You could have gotten to a higher place in your career already. But you're not taking the time, the precious time that you have to make moves. You keep making excuses. And that's not what we're here for. So I just hope y'all get that. I hope that sinks in. I hope someone understands. And that's all I got. It's not about me. It's about God. Whew, man. In the comment section, just, I don't know. If you have a dream or goal, just write it out. I want to know what it is. I don't know, maybe that's the issue. What is your goal and dream? Like, let's talk about it. So put it in the comment section. My dream is to this. My goal is to this. And just write it out. Let me know. I want to hear. I want to read it. I want to see what y'all are thinking about. And let's see what happens next when you write it out. And it's in the atmosphere. So, I love y'all. I think I said it already. It's not about me. It's about God. Holla at your boy. Peace out.